Ready to discover all the things you can do on your Family Hub refrigerator? Navigating is super simple. This is your Family Hub home screen. Return to this screen at any time by pressing the Home key. You'll also find easy access to Bixby, the Task Manager, the Back key, and notifications. Tap the arrow to hide or show these options. Tap Notifications to display the Quick panel. This shows the connection status for your Wi-Fi, which you can easily turn on or off. You can also quickly turn on and off the microphone or Bixby depending on your model, as well as your Family Hub screen. Screen brightness and volume accessibility are also here, along with Smart View, settings, and any notifications. Swipe up or tap Notifications again to exit. Tap Apps to see all the apps available to you. You can choose to turn on or off automatic update. Let's go back to the home screen. To open an app, just tap the app or widget to launch it. Tap the back button to return to the home screen. To see a list of apps that are currently running, touch the Task Manager button. Simply tap on an app to open it. Touch Task Manager again. To close a single app, you can swipe left or right, or tap the X. Tap Clear All to close all the running apps. Have fun exploring your Family Hub refrigerator.